In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and manage recurring charges in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to the spending section in your dashboard and tap on the recurring tab. This is where Origin automatically gathers all your subscriptions, bills, and repeating payments into one clean list, so you don't have to manually search through transactions. If you want to cancel a subscription like Netflix or a gym membership, just tap on the specific recurring charge inside the list. If the service is supported, you'll see a Cancel Subscription button. Clicking it will redirect you directly to the provider's official cancellation page, where you can finish the process. If there's no quick cancel option available, you'll need to log in to the merchant's website and cancel it manually from their billing settings. If a charge was mistakenly marked as recurring, you can fix it easily. Just click on it, then select the edit icon and remove from recurring. This will remove it from your recurring list and clean up your forecast. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.